Hi everyone, and welcome to this quick tutorial on how you create and display pages for your Canvas course. Now, when you are in your course, again down the side, you'll go to your Pages tab, okay? When you are here, all right, you will be on the landing page for your course, okay? And what you have to do is click on View All Pages, and you'll get taken through to all the pages that have been created for your Canvas course. Now, there's a lot of duplicates in here because when I copied content into my course, I copied duplicates of that. So these can easily be deleted by just clicking on here and deleting. Okay, so it's super easy. But to start a Canvas page, you click on plus page, okay, and you're taken through to this page here. Okay, now this is known as the rich content editor. So give yourself a title. So Sabi's introduction page to algebra. I'm just going to call that. Okay, so in here you would just go about and type whatever you need to. I'm just going to point out the rich content editor features. So you've obviously got your text options there. I'll just type in, we are learning to understand algebra, just so I can play around with some stuff. Okay, so you can change the size accordingly, whatever you need to here. You've also got preset paragraph options. All right, you should hopefully be familiar with these bold, italic, and underline. You've got the option to change colors for the text. You've got the option to add highlighting behind it too, if need be. You've got the superscript options for, when you have to type H2O or X squared and things like that. Over here, you've got the external link tools, okay? So you can link things externally, so to like a different website, you would just paste the link here and you can change what you want it to display over here, all right? Now, with the multimedia options, with photos, videos, and documents, you have three options always, okay? On the drop down, you can upload an image from your computer, so you go straight to this upload window. You can also choose the URL and paste it as well. So you click into here and you would upload whatever pictures you've got, okay? There is a bit of a user rights disclosure here that you have to do when you upload photos, so just be mindful of that, making sure that you're using photos that you're allowed to use. You've also got course images. So this is access to images that are in the course already. Okay, so you can see these images have been added into the course and you can take those if need be. All right. You have the option to then go to your user images. So that's saved in your actual Canvas instance itself. Okay, so that's how you access content for all three of these. The same with the video recording. You can upload or record media. You can access the media that's inside the course or your own, which is in your user account. And the same with the documents as well, like uploading any kind of document. You would follow the same process. Okay, to the side, you've got your LTI integration. So now here you can see the icon for, I believe it's Macmillan Learning. You will eventually have the HMH integration icon there. Okay, I'm just going to show you what that looks like when I go to another Canvas so you can see. So this is just another example Canvas account, which looks slightly different to yours because it's got the elementary view. I'm going to pages here. I'm just going to view all pages and then click plus page. All right. So here is the HMH Ed icon. Okay, so when you click on this, what it will do is it will take you through to the HMH Ed linking tool. So this is where a pop-up window will come up, so you can actually browse and find everything that you need for HMH in here. Okay, so you can see all the modules and all the content that you want to find. You will go look at all through here. So if there's reading material in here, if there's a PowerPoint, if there's a worksheet, anything that you want visible on this page, you can go find it and you can freely use it with the HMH Ed linking tool. Okay, that is super handy to know, so make sure you have a play around with that. Okay, I'm just going to click OK and get out of here for the moment. All right. I'm just going to jump back here. Any other linking tools are under the view all. So you can see there's Google integration, there's Office 365 integration, there's all sorts. Your organization will have its own list of apps that they've installed here. Okay, so it pays to have a look around to see what that looks like. Under the three dots, you've got further customization options. So you've got the alignment options, you've got text bullets, and you've got indentation options. You've even got the clear formatting. You can insert a table, you can insert an equation. This embed option is really useful. Okay, I'm just going to show you. So what often happens is us teachers find fantastic videos on YouTube that we want to be able to use. Okay, now what we're used to doing is going to YouTube, finding the link, taking the link, copying that, and pasting it into the window here. Now that will just give you the link itself like that. Okay, now it's not visually appealing to the kids. If you want the thumbnail view, what you need to do is not do that. Okay, you click on this embed option here. Okay, go back to YouTube, find the video that you want, go down to share, and choose the embed option here. Okay, and copy this code. All right, so by default it'll highlight it for you. This here is a quick view of the thumbnail that will pop up on your page. This is far more engaging and far more interesting for the students, and this is exactly what you want. And you can take the copy code. Now you can actually choose where you want to start it at as well. So if you want to customize exactly where you need to start the video, you can do that and take the code accordingly. How cool is that? So I'm just going to take this for the moment and copy that and jump back into here, and if I embed that here, so can paste it in and click submit, it will automatically generate and give you the view option. Okay, so you've got the thumbnail now. Now you can click on that and you can actually customize it into the middle. You can do whatever you need. All right, so that's how you can actually insert the videos from YouTube into here using the embed option. Now the embed option functions for a lot of websites that allow you to take that embedded code, so you can customize a lot of material on here. Okay, while I've got your attention, I just want to point out another little, I guess, a hack that I want you to go and explore. Heaps of teachers want to go out and make these fantastic, beautiful looking pages for their courses. Okay, you've got all these options here, but if you're really interested in wanting to do some quick PD and get some helpful tips and tricks, on YouTube there's a lady called Canvas Queen. I've learned a lot from her. Okay, she has thousands of followers, but she also has thousands of videos on how you can really make your Canvas pages come to life, link it with other tools, and simplify your workload. Okay, so there's tons of content there. Her name is Canvas Queen. I highly suggest that you go on and just quickly have a look through her material. There's a lot there. Okay, so jumping back to the pages. So once you've created your page, you can set pages options around who edits this. You can even schedule when you want this to be published. Okay, so this is really handy. You can add it to the student to-do list as well, and then you can assign it accordingly. Okay, so by default, always just click save on these pages. Okay, and you'll get a quick preview here on what it looks like. All right, so when you go to view all pages, you'll see that Sabi's introduction page is there. Okay, now that I've created this page, if I want to go add it to my module, now bear in mind, just because I've created the page doesn't mean it's been added to my course. Okay, it's just sitting in my pages. I need to actually add it to my course. So what I'd do is I'd go to the modules tab. Okay, and go down to where I need it to go. So let's just say I want it to go in week 2. I'd go to the plus icon here, click on the down arrow here and find page, and then I should find Sabi's introduction page to algebra there. Okay, so that will then add that page to week 2. So that in a nutshell is how you go about creating and allocating your pages for your Canvas course. So again, really simple. Under pages, start a new page, just click on that plus blue icon there.